Another JS command that you want to have in your belt when needed is JS.transition. This is useful specifically when you want to trigger an animation and you know there's a time limit that you want to show that. For example, you want to show a spinner for exactly 3 seconds or something like that. So all you need to do is add js.transition and then tell which CSS class for that animation you have and which elements you wanna target. On this specific example, I'm using a time of 1 second. Then let me show you right here. The reason that I'm passing this amount of time is that by default, these animations are gonna run for 200 milliseconds, which is not a lot. So you wanna pick the specific timing for that using JS.transition. Also, here's another example, which is animate spin, which uses 800 milliseconds. This is useful when you have a sort of need of showing a loading state or just having something on your screen have some sort of show-off effect that you want the user to look at that. And you can either just pass a CSS class, or you can also do the same tree tuple thing that we'll be doing for JS hide, JS show, and other places. So here's another example. We have a JS transition. We are passing a tuple of 3 strings here. And as before, we have the state, the classes that are going to be applied throughout the animation, the start state and the end state, the target. We have the time for 300 milliseconds. So let's trigger the animation pulse, which is quite useful when you want to make something stand out on your screen. So just to freeze, you want to use JS transition when you know there's an end time for your transition or your animation. If you want to have an animation go indefinitely, just use JS add class and later on use remove class.